Welcome to CSCI 2000. My name is Ken Pu. I'll be the instructor for this course. Um, this video is to give you an overview of the topics to be covered in this course and as well as the delivery method of this course, given that for this semester the course will be offered entirely virtually online. Okay, so this course is called Scientific Data Analysis, and we'll really be emphasizing on the analysis of various data sets, including scientific data sets. In order for you to become proficient uh, as data analyst, the first topic in this course is to familiarize you with the Unix environment. And under this topic, you'll be working with the shell environment and using the command line interface. And you're going to familiarize yourself with the Unix file system, the file management tools, and various editors. The next topic of this course is version control, and the software we're going to use for version control is called Git, and this is probably the most popular version control software that the industry has adopted. We're going to see why it's important to use version control and how we're going to use Git to implement sound workflows in versioning both data and software. And then we'll be moving into the programming components of this course. The main language we'll use is Python. We will provide some review of elements of Python. In particular, we're going to look at some programming patterns that are supported in Python with respect to functional programming. And one cannot emphasize enough of how data analysis in modern age is really built on many concepts in functional programming. So we're going to see like exactly what functional programming means and how it works and how it can be used to perform data analysis. Once we gain sufficient proficiency with Python, we'll be looking at numerical calculations in Python using a library called NumPy. So this stands for numerical Python. We'll look at how NumPy supports multi-dimensional arrays and finally data analysis with multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy. And then we'll move into a much more powerful data analysis framework called Pandas, which is also a library in Python. And this is a very powerful library, so we'll look at quite a number of different aspects of the data analysis that you can do with Pandas. We'll look at file I/O, maybe some complex queries, aggregation, and group by queries. So these are all different data analysis functionalities that are supported by pandas. We'll be looking at things like time series analysis, um, and quite a number of other things with pandas. And finally, the last topic to be included in this course is data visualization and report generation. So the software that we're going to use will be a Python library, no surprise there, called matplotlib, which generates various plots and visualizations of data. And we'll be using both NumPy and Pandas to perform the data analysis, but then generate the final visual results and summarization using matplotlib. We'll also be looking at how you can efficiently use Jupyter Notebook to produce professional reports of your data analysis. More details will be given on the course website as well as during the lectures. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the course and learned something that will be valuable in your process of building a successful career at Ontario Tech.